Hi everybody, I'm Steve from C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. I'm here today to talk about a really common problem with the C3 cars, 68 right on up through 82. Many of you have probably already experienced it, and that is that a time will come when you go to unlock your door or open your door and it just simply won't unlock. I've had customers destroy their doors, their quarter panels, their interior door panels, all sorts of things to try to get into the car. It's a fairly simple thing to do, and I have this door display that we have here in our showroom that I'm going to try to show you the way to do it without making a major ordeal out of it. What happens is everything will work fine on your car, doors open, doors do all they're supposed to do. One day you lock the car and then go, oh, I left my camera inside, and go to unlock it by squeezing the door handle while the door is still locked. That triggers the whole thing. What you'll experience from there is the door won't open, and when you try to unlock it, either with the turn knob inside by the door handle or the little pull-out knob on the later cars, or by the lock, it won't feel right. When you try to turn it to unlock it, it'll only go about halfway. Therein lies the problem. So what I'm going to do is using this, I'm going to show you how to get in and in an unceremonious manner, get your door to open without doing any damage. Okay folks, here is the culprit. This linkage rod inside the door. Now of course your painted outer door skin is on here and you don't have the ability to look in and see this, but this is the linkage that actually goes from the door handle where you squeeze it here at the top, and you see the movement? That's what unlatches your door. The lock, when you turn the lock cylinder on the outside of your car, it moves this little lever right here, and it will, up is locked, down is unlocked. What will happen is, in many instances, this handle may have gotten replaced. This may have been put in misadjusted, but until you get in a situation where the door is locked and somebody grabs the handle to open it, the problem will not surface. So you might go for a year after your handle was installed before you encounter this problem. So what happens is, and you won't be able to see it from as what I do here, but in locking the door, latching the door closed like that, it will open and close fine until it's in the lock position, somebody tries to open it, and it will not open. So what will happen is you don't get enough movement here to unlock the door. Rather than taking radical moves at that point, it's really, really simple. Of course, your door is going to be closed, but you have to get your window down, come in from the other side, put your window down, take a long screwdriver, go in where the glass comes out, so it'll be between your door panel and the glass at the back edge. And with the screwdriver, you see the tip of it right there. With your screwdriver, all you have to do is get to this portion of it right here. You can see my finger, and push down on it while trying to unlock it. It just unlocked. You can now open your door. It's that simple. You just have to have the patience and not panic when this happens to go in, do that gently. What you're after is this little tab right here. And as you push down and kind of finagle the key, it'll unlock and your problem is solved in as much as getting into your car. You still need to fix the problem. So now that you've got the door open, it isn't going to occur again until you get in a situation where it's locked, you try to unlock it, it starts the sequence there. So you can still drive the car home, get in and out of the car at your earliest convenience. You want to take your inside door panel off, get in, take this rod loose, which I have already removed the little clip that goes on there for the sake of this video. Slide that clip back, take this out. You see it spring back up because it was under tension. What you want to do then is just shorten this rod, and even though they're fine threads, it takes quite a few turns to get it shortened. You're going to want to shorten it to the point that when it goes in, it is not putting any tension. Like see here where I kind of have to push it to get it to fit, too tight. You'll have the same problem. Shorten it up a lot. We're getting there. Get it in, put it in a comfortable place, put the clip on it, put it back in, you're good to go. Before you put it all back together, test everything. Check it locked, unlocked, locked and trying to open it. Because you very well may need to take an extra 1 or 2 turns either direction. So don't just go, oh, it's clear, put it back together, because you may still have the problem. Well, that's it, guys. Hopefully this has solved some problems for you and maybe added to your bank of Corvette knowledge. If you get into it and you have a specific problem that we can help you with, feel free to contact myself or Lyle at the emails below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps grow the community, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for coming.